Hello friends, welcome back to Seema Hobbies. So today's recipe is Goan prawn suka masala. Being an Goan, we generally use coconut based gravy to most of the recipes. So today we will make Goan prawn suka masala with coconut. So let's start with ingredients. I have taken here medium size 40 prawns. So first clean prawns nicely and devein it and then marinate it with little salt and turmeric powder and keep aside. Now we require 2 chopped large onions, 2 medium sliced onions, 1 chopped capsicum, little green coriander leaves, 2 slit green chilies, 1 big chopped tomatoes, 1 grated coconut, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 2 cinnamon sticks, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3 to 4 tablespoon garam masala powder and little tamarind water. Now you have to roast onion and coconut into golden brown. So let's roast first onion and coconut. For that heat oil in a kadai or pan. Put sliced onion and roast for a few seconds. Now onion color is slight change. Now let's add grated coconut and roast till golden brown. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe the channel Seema Hobbies and also like, comment, share and hit the bell button so that you will get the updates of my next video. Now this is done. We will grind this by adding little water. Do not grind this into fine paste, keep it coarse and thick. So the ground paste is ready. You can see this is how we wanted the paste. It should be thick and not fine and thin. Now let's start the next step. Pour little oil in kadai or pan. Add 2 bay leaves, two cinnamon sticks, now add chopped onion, saute it. Add green chilies. Sprinkle little salt so that onion cooks fast. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. In this add chopped tomatoes, saute it nicely for a second. And now I am going to add prawns in this. Mix it nicely and saute it for a minute. I am going to add little turmeric powder in this as I have not added in the marinated prawns. I am also going to add cumin powder and coriander powder in this. Mix it nicely, add little water and let it cook for some time. Now let's check. Prawns are cooked nicely. So in this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of garam masala powder. Give a good mix. Add chopped capsicum. And let it cook for a second. Do not overcook capsicum, it should remain crunchy. Now add ground paste. Little tamarind water. Add nutmeg powder. Give a good mix. Salt to taste. Stir nicely. See the consistency and adjust water. Do not add much water as this is prawn suka masala. Finally, a touch of fresh coriander leaves. Now this is ready. Our delicious and tasty Goan prawn suka masala is ready. You can eat this with roti, chapati, bread or a naan. Do try this recipe and let me know your comment. Hope you like this video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Keep watching Seema Hobbies.